Hey guys, it's Joseph here, and I'll be doing a 10PC example run. I'll be explaining the setups and also the solves. Very bad first PC, so what I would do normally is I would just box and hope for a solve. And which in this case, that's a solve. The common idea about to solve a box solve is to look at the t's. If you have a t and also one j, it's normally going to convert into a PCO. So in this case, I would use the S and a T to complete the PCO like this. And then I will use the two O's over here and also an I to complete the box. And that just leads to a PCO solve. The second is tut. Many beginners would save S or Z for this second, but it is usually recommended to save O. A tip is to use one of the S and Z's when building the box at the right side. So like this, and we have save O. So this is, I think I'm just gonna go for brain dead, like this. Because I do brain dead, there isn't going to be a safe T solve anymore. But if I don't do brain dead, it will have a safe T. But it's okay. Here I could try Jaws, and hopefully this works. So again over here, I can extend the box using I can extend the jaws using a T and a Z over here, and then I can just make a box using IOO on the left side to complete the solve. Here, my initial thought, no, my thought is to just build a box for fifth. Since I think it's gonna be quite stable, and there's gonna be a solve. So no I is usually bad, and it's still bad here, but we can try to find a solve that's good. Usually contains some kind of, oh, there's another T, so we can just tut. So you can tut when there's multiple T's. So like for example, we have one T in active and also one T in queue. And I also see an S, so that means that we can do a tut. So this seventh would just be heart plus O, nothing fancy. So here notice that the heart, we can actually complete it using IJ or L. Well, in this case, I see the L quite late, so I might just complete it using the J like this, and then usually resolves back into a 4x4 box where you can solve using PCO most of the time. Alright, we're back to first, and this queue is really bad. So what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna just put down some pieces that form like a PCO shape. And first thing that I saw is that we don't have another L coming up, and this normally suggested that like we can complete the box using two J's, and then use the L to do the PCO solve, like this, and then it's just a normal solve that you would encounter. Alright, so here we can do heart plus PCO like this, And then a common solving pattern for Hard Plus PCO is to actually tub like this. So as you can see, over here we have a tub, and I can just complete the tub and then fill in the rest and solve. Okay, funny enough, we have a 2-line, but I am not gonna take it. So if you were gonna do a 2-line, it will always lead you to TSZ7, which is basically a free PC if you know how to solve it. But for now, I will just do the normal setup, which is this one. This 5-piece is 100%, and it can usually lead to brain dead, which is what we're gonna do here. And here it's just an SC reduction, like this. And that's basically 10 PC. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned some, maybe, from this video. Alright.